Welcome to Qamar MoonBoy channel and be ready to watch this video and these many kind of video I prepare on my channel. So be ready to subscribe my channel by clicking on the subscribe button on the left now or in the below of this video. If you have already subscribed to my channel and you are not getting any notifications about my new video, so anytime I place a video you get notifications by clicking on this bell icon on the right. So click on this bell icon and check this box and save it so that you can get all the notifications whatever video I am placing on my channel. For next time, if you want a particular video on my channel to watch, so you can go to the playlist here for a particular type of video you want to watch, because every time I add a video I add to that type of playlist always. So you can go to that playlist and you can subscribe or save that playlist to your list. So being all that said, just now start our today's video. So let's start our part 2 of our tutorial 8, that is the continuation of the design and analysis of steel building using Indian Standard Code of Practice. So next we have did the analysis in previous part. Now uh, actually we forgot to place the load combinations, so let us define the load combinations for this structure so that we can develop an envelope of for the structure and we get the final serviceability loads and the collapse load combination, such that we can get a final results out of this building design. First we have to unlock the model, go to define and go to load combinations. Now the load combinations, it is already there few of the load combinations. So if you want to see that load combinations, go to click on that load combinations, because we have already did the analysis part. It has developed a few load combinations. Let us see if there is any load combination which is supporting our building and the design of collapse and serviceability. So let us see. This is only dead load combination, and this is also the dead load combination. This dead load and super dead load combination, dead, live and super. Okay, that is, this load is nothing but your serviceability load combination. Okay, okay, this is your dead load and live load combination. Okay, collapse load combination, this is a kind of collapse load combination which is placed here, and we'll provide then one more load combination, that is 1.5 into all of these three. So add a new combo now. So combo 1.5 I will name it. Okay, so dead load will be scale factor 1.5 and add live load will be 1.5, add super dead load will be 1.5, dead load and super dead. Then press OK. So this combination has been prepared, and we already have the serviceability combination here. Sorry. Here we have the serviceability combination, that is D2 combination and combination 1.5 combination. So these two combinations are required for our design. So let's run the analysis again. So after analysis, the structure looks like this in the deformed shape, and you can start the animation to see the beams bending. So in this we are going to design the combination beams with the AIC code and other beams and columns with our Indian standard codes. So let us start with the first. We have to design the for the deck slab composite beams. We have to design first with the AIC code. So let's start designing the. I have already shown you how to see the bending moment diagram and shear force diagram in our previous part. So let us go to the design now. So go to design and composite beam design and view the preferences. So you can see the preferences here. We are going to use AISC code 36010 for the composite beam design, because you can see that no Indian code has been provided here. You can take the BS code, British code for that, or Euro code also, but we are going to use AISC code 36010 for composite beam only. So press OK. Next, go to design again, composite beam design, and start and check design. So all the beams started we have selected for the composite beams below the deck slab will be designed as the composite beam. We have taken the auto generated auto beam option, so the beams will be selected by the program itself and the auto generation of the beams will be provided. So after the design you can see that this beams has been designed and the beam numbers ISLB 125 has been shown on the composite beams. So after the design of the composite beams, you can check whether the design is whatever we have taken during the analysis, because we have selected the auto beams. So the auto beams whichever we have selected for the analysis, those are same for the design of the beam or not. So you can go and check by going to design again and the composite beam design and verify the analysis and design section. By that you can verify this section. So in this time all the design and the analysis section has matched with the composite beam section whatever we are using. So if this was not checked, then we have to run the analysis again keeping these beams, so that the design and the beam analysis composite beam should be same. So this time it matched, so we will check for the beams and columns also like this, and we will design the steel design for the beam and column sections. So composite beams are safe. Now let us check that the composite beams are safe or not by going to design again composite beam design and verify all members have passed. click on this and you will get a message that all composite beams passed the design check. So the composite beams has passed the design check, and the composite beams provided by the program is nothing but your ISLB 125. By right clicking on this beam, you can see the detail of the ISLB 125 shear stud 3. So like that you can check the other section properties in this place. We can place on this, press on OK. Now to make these uh, composite beams final for your structure, because this have passed your structure design, so go to the design again and go to the composite beam design, then click on make auto select section null. So this will confirm that the auto selection will be off now, and these beams have got composite beams have got designed will be remain as your current design beams. So press on OK. So all the beams we have designed, their composite beams, will be remain in ISLB 125 position now, because it is safe design we have checked. So next we are going to design for the beams and columns. So for that, go to the design, steel frame design, and check the view revise preferences, that all the properties have been set according to our IS code IS 800 2007. The IS code will be shown here, and the properties and the preferences taken in IS code will be shown here. Press on OK after verifying all the data. Now select all the beams and columns of the steel sections except the composite beams. So go to the select, then go to the properties, frame sections. In this you select the auto beam and auto column. Now we have to assign the braces to this by going to design, steel frame design, and here the lateral bracing to the assign selected segments of the beams and columns. So assign the lateral bracing by clicking on this. It will ask the program determined or the user is specified. For time being we will take program determined bracing this time, or we can provide the user specified also at quarter spans or one-third spans using specify point bracing button here. But at this time we are taking program determined. Click on OK, and the lateral bracing has been provided to beams and columns. Now the structure is ready for the design. So go to the design, steel frame design, then on the start design check. Since we have auto selected the beams and columns, after the analysis a pop-up will appear that the analysis and design will differ by 558 steel frame sections. So whatever it was selected during the analysis of the auto beams and columns, that has been changed during the design for the safety of the building. So now you select no and again no, and 5 beams has been failed the stress capacity check also. Do you want to select them? Yes. So you can see 3 of the 5 of the beams got selected or failed. So quickly we have to change these members which has got failed. So using these data again run the analysis. Go to the design again, steel frame design, and start check design. Even the 15 steel frames has failed the stress capacity check. So these are the interior bottom floor columns which are failing due to the high length of it. So increased length of this column is failing. So we have to provide these columns more bracing, lateral bracing, and we have to change the design combination also for this. This time you can check that all the members which are analyzed and designed are same, but few of the members are failing. Let us change these members, or we have to select the design combinations. Move back the combinations here and select the combination 1.5 and the combination D2, which is the serviceability and the collapse combinations of design. So let us do this and press OK. Let us run the design again. Let us see these 15 members will get passed or not this time. Let us provide a lateral bracing extra to these selected members by user specified and the point bracing, and by relative distance method add at 0.25 bottom, 0.5 bottom, and 0.75 at bottom. Press OK and OK again. Now go to the design again, steel frame design, and start the design check again. Let us see this time it will pass or not. If this time also it get fails, then we have to change the member from the auto select to the user defined member. No, it is not failing this time, but it got deferred from the previous design. So press on no, press on no again. So this time these columns got passed. So the few of the um, load combinations which are formed by this program, they were uh, just in large amount of load that uh, that created the structure bottom columns to fail. But when we have selected the service load and the collapse loads, and now this is passing our test, and the program has provided the required columns and beams for the building, and you can see that the number is assigned to that building, that is ISHB 350. Number 2 has been assigned to this building for the columns, and for the beams ISLB 300 has been assigned. So you can clearly see all the data by floor wise or by plan wise. So for seeing the beam data, ISLB 300 has been provided. You can change the floors to see the different floors having different patterns. So different floors having different data of a design. And for columns, go to the elevation view, and now you can check the highest loaded columns are mentioned with the violet color. If the red color is shown, then the column is failing. So this time no column is failing because you can see all the columns are within the range, and the codings after the design, what are the sections provided by the design program of Etabs 2015. So these are all our as per our Indian code and steel tables. So let us check whether our design has passed the test or not. We can directly see how many columns has differ from the design and analysis. So it is 15. And next, verify the all members has passed or not. Yes, all members has passed the stress and the capacity check. So like this you can change and redesign until you get all the sections passed in your design. So again, now go to the design, steel frame design, and make the auto selector section null. Click on this button to keep all the designed values which you have satisfied by the design. Click on OK, and now you run the analyze again, and now check whether the design combinations are same what we have selected. Yes, then go to the design, steel frame design, and start and check the design again, and this time all the members will pass and all the members will be same, because we have not we have said auto selection has been closed this time, so it will design directly the required beams and columns what we have selected, and the analysis and the design sections will be same. So it is checking. So no pop-up has came out or showing any notifications that it has failed or it has changed something. So even then we can check by going to the verify the analysis and the design section. So all the design sections has matched the analysis sections this time. Again go to the design and check that all the members has verified or passed the test. So yes, all the members has passed the stress and capacity check. So this concludes the steel frame design of building using Indian Standard Code. So if there are any mistakes I have done on this video, so you can comment anytime on my video below in the comment section. And for more videos like this, and the next video is coming on the bracings and to protect the earthquake in the frame systems of steel building. In that I will be using the same building and with less or more number of floors and using the Indian standard codes itself. So be sure to watch that video and do subscribe so that you get the notifications for my video. So thank you all for watching this video and making up to the end. Bye bye.